Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do a beautiful bracelet using beads. For this, we are using two color of beads, jump ring, hook and a thread. So now let's see how to do this beautiful bracelet. First we'll insert the hook. Take one pearl bead and you are going to cross this bead using the other side of this thread. Insert it into this bead. Catch hold of this two ends of the thread and so now we have joined the first bead. Next, take two beads in one side and two beads in other side. Two bead in the other side of the thread. So it looks like this. Next, take both the threads together. Take this yellow color bead and insert it through both the thread and pull. So this yellow bead should come in the center. So push this bead in the center like this and insert this side thread through these two beads. Same way, insert this side thread through these two beads. It looks like this. Next, take one pearl bead and you are going to do a crisscross method by inserting the other thread to this white color bead and pull. So we have made the first flower. So to make the next flower, you are going to follow the same method. That is, you are going to insert two beads in this side, two beads this side. After that, you are going to insert the golden bead by taking both the thread together and insert it. Next, this gold bead should come inside. Place the golden bead in the middle and insert this side thread through these two beads. Same way, inside this side thread through these two beads. Next, take one pearl bead and do a crisscross. So it looks like this. So this is the pattern you have to follow for this bracelet till the required size of the bracelet you want. That is, we'll be inserting two bead in one side and two beads in the other side. Next, take both the threads together, insert the yellow color bead, pull. This yellow color bead should come in center, so place it in center like this and insert this side thread through these two beads. Same way, inside this thread through these two beads. Then take one pearl bead in one thread and you are going to do a crisscross. And you are going to do crisscross by inserting the other thread through this pearl bead and pull. So now you have done the other flower. So by following them, you are going to do the flower till the required size you want. After doing them, it looks like this. After you have completed till the required size, you can make a knot. Have joined the jump rings together. Insert it into this. Insert them here and you are going to make a knot. Next, you can insert the thread through the beads. After doing them, the bracelet looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.